Good afternoon, everyone. I will discuss the 7 ship stresses and the measures on board to counteract the effect of ship stresses. Number 1. Hugging. Hugging in naval architecture. Hugging refers to stress that causes a ship's hull or keel to bend upward in the middle. Kasagaran kung ang bow and stern mas ubos sa tubig nga mahimong leading sa mga issue sa struktura. Ang hugging kay mubend ang barko pataas. 2. Sagging. Sagging occurs when a beam bends downward forming a concave shape. In shapes, sagging refers to the bending of the null downwards in the middle, where the bow and stern are supported by waves. Wrist, hinungdan nga ang sentro mulubog paubos. Kung ang haging pa taas ang bend, ang saging is paubos. Mong gitawag sa saging kay mura sa saging. Shear forces in a ship refers to the internal forces acting parallel to the ship's null tending to cause it. Kasagaran tungod sa gawas ug mga karga sama sa mga balod ug hangin. 4. Torsional stress. Sa mga barko, caused by twisting force, mahimong static gikan sa dili patas nga kargamento o dokumento or dynamic form from wave action and can lead to warping and shear stresses, ilabi na sa mga barko nga dunay gamay nga deck area sama sa container ship murag mo twist da mga na libot. Panting in a ship. Construct refers to the in and out flexing of hull, plotting like an oil can being squeezed caused by pressure changes as the ship moves through waves, potentially leading to stress leaks and even hull separation. Pounding or slamming on a ship refers to the impact of the ship hull against the water surface, particularly when the bow rises out of the water and then slams down forcefully, causing significant stress to the ship's structure. And last is rocking. Rocking sa paghimo sa barko. Ang rocking refers to a distribution of the hull structure caused by transverse stresses, primarily occurring when a vessel is subjected to force nga makapatindog sa iyang longitudinal axis, such as rolling in a seaway. And that's all for my discussion. Thank you for watching.